my dear friends. 15th August is a day of our country. First, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Friends, as we all know, 15th August is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. We got freedom from British rule on this day in 1947. Independence Day is a national festival of India, celebrated with great joy and respect across the country. Millions of people came together and took part in struggle to give us this precious gift of freedom. Today I pay my tribute to our great freedom fighters and leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Kamarajar, Bharatiyar, T.V. Chidambaram, Rani Lakshmibai, Velu Nachiyar, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, along with many others who satisfied everything freedom of our country. On this day, national flag is hoisted, parades and held and cultural programs are organized across India, showing of our unity in diversity. Today, India progressing rapidly in many fields like technology, education, sports and science, which would not have been possible without independence. Friends, is not only about remembering the past, it is also about building our future. We are the future of India. It is our duty to work hard, stay responsible and contribute to the development progress of nation. Jai Hind. Thank you.